Hey guys, Papa Rome's here. You're not going to want to miss this episode. We are doing something unique. I have a recipe here that I never told anybody about, and it is dynamite. We're going to be cooking up these sucker eggs on the spring sucker run, and we're going to test them out, see how they taste. You can see the parsley, and you taste that little parsley garlic. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you want to see how I take care of this, it's you can watch it right on my how to fillet a sucker video coming up. Here's your egg sack, and when they're running in the spring, you can see how much eggs there are. See all them in there? So I'm going to pull out the other fillet, and then I'll show you real quick the egg sack itself. All right, so see here, you can already see these things are just filled with eggs. They're already coming out here. And to extract them, you could either just keep cutting down this way, or you could go up the belly and open them up however you want. So they're going to be on both sides, remember. And what I'm going to do is here, so open up the belly. Just kind of, without going too deep with that tip of that blade, I'm just barely popping the skin. I'm going right in between here. You could even go right over that if you want. There it is. So basically the way I've been just pulling them out, very easy. I mean, just kind of get my hands in here and just separating it out. It's got a little bit of like a fascia, the casing that it's in, kind of like an intestine, and I just put my fingers behind it like this and I poke them out, try to keep them in the casing if you can. A lot of time they break, but that's it. Just like that, you have one whole egg sack, and we're gonna cook these up. Okay, so now for the other one, you just kind of move the guts aside and the intestine, and pretty much just pop the second one right out, same exact way. If it tears, big deal. It's not a big deal. We're gonna be washing these anyway, but that's it. Gorgeous, gorgeous looking. So now that we have our eggs, just stay tuned and we'll cook them up. Looks good to me. For the seasoning, we have here flour, onion powder, adobo, garlic powder, ginger, parsley, dried parsley, black pepper, and paprika. And just kind of blend this together. There you go. Oh, we're gonna cook these up, don't you worry. Egg sacks out of the suckers, the spring run. Well, it's a lot of eggs, I'll tell you that. Out of 10 fish, we got like 4.5 to 5 pounds of eggs. And we're not going back to that part of the stream. We're gonna let them reproduce there. But these are a nuisance fish, just in case you're saying, well, you took out all the fish out of that area. There are thousands of them running the rivers right now. And I really don't know anybody in my area that catches and eats them. So we're really not doing anything to the environment other than just having a good meal. Now we'll try these out. So here we go. This is a recipe that my mother showed us from when we were kids. We would do zucchini flowers, and we would also do smelt whole, and we would sometimes get to do the eggs as well from the trout. I have the sucker eggs here. These are all removed and washed, cleaned up. And what we're gonna do is, this here is her recipe. Hey Ma, how you doing?
Fine, thank you.
So what do we have in here?
We have some garlic, we have parsley, eggs, and some Parmesan cheese.
Okay, very simple. And then this is my flour that we're using here.
A little bit of flour.
See how it's getting thicker? And you're getting a little bit of a thick consistency here, a little batter. It doesn't have to be runny, and it doesn't have to be too thick, or you'll have dough. Okay?
That's good.
Good? All right. See how it sticks to the fork?
Yeah, we could draw a little more. That's good.
Because you're going to want it to stick around the eggs. Just like that.
And if you feel that it doesn't stick, then you just add a little more flour.
All right. There you go. It's one of her secrets. See how it sticks to it? What do you think? Good or a little more? I like a little more. Give me a little more.
Well,
let me ruin the recipe here. Go ahead. All right. That looks good. I like it a little thicker so it coats.
And if it doesn't, you can always add flour.
Okay. All right, I just want to show you what it looks like when you put it in. See that? It grows like bread. I don't want to go too strong. Too high will burn them. See how they're burning already? So I'm going to lower that down just a hair. We're going to mash these up. We're going to make one big omelet out of everything. Okay. And then we're going to just fry this up. The whole thing. And I think this will be even better than doing the whole sack. This way everything's coated nice. There you go. Everything's incorporated well. Stir it up. Perfect, just in time to try my fish. So what I'm doing is I'm changing it up into a patty because they were popping too much, and I'm gonna pan sear them. So now if you look here, I got just a little bit of olive oil. Are they gonna pop? Absolutely, but not like the way with the deep oil, which is dangerous. So glad I'm doing this outside on an old stove. So I'm just gonna do like a little pancake style. Okay, and I'll just kind of get it spread out like a pancake. Thing, do not cook these inside if you choose to do it, because they are extremely dangerous and the oil splattering 10 feet away and hitting us. All right, so now I should have a good crust here. You can see the edges is getting browned. I'm gonna just flip it. Oh man, oh, that was amazing. Watch for the splatter. That looks good, huh? So just cook them thoroughly. Make sure you don't eat the raw eggs like I just did. It's probably not a good idea. All right, so now they're cooked. I do not recommend doing them in a total egg sack. I think the patty is the better form. Get them golden brown, make sure they're cooked in the middle. And we're just gonna set that aside for now. And we're gonna put more, oh, heads up. Oh, we're gonna put more down. Actually, we'll do a big one here. Just kind of flip them around here. I think my temperature is a little high, so we're going to lower that down.
Okay.
All right, so I'm just going to cut this up. I got to tell you, it reminds me just like a pancake, the texture. And I probably wouldn't have had this idea if that guy on my Facebook page didn't tell me. So I appreciate it. Thank you very much for your story, letting me know. We're going to take 2 bites. 1 bite. I mean, that looks amazing, by the way. You can see the parsley, and there's garlic in there. There's all the seasoning, but everything is perfect. So we're going to take 2 bites here. Probably more, but first one is going to be plain. I want to see how it tastes. Amazing. That is very good. It has a lot of yolk. You could taste like yolky flavored. Now we're going to try with the maple syrup. This is homemade maple syrup, by the way. Ho ho! too much. It's gonna be like a pancake. Oh my gosh. Out of this world. Woo! That is nice. You taste the little balls of the fish, but a little bit yolky. Nothing like trout eggs or salmon eggs by far. Nothing like it. Those are extremely fishy, but they're good. I don't know what to tell you. If that guy didn't say anything, I would have never even known. Maple syrup and fish eggs. I want you to try. You want to try? Yeah. All right. So we're going to cut this one up in two pieces. One you put maple syrup on, one you don't. Now, you've never had fish eggs before? Have you ever had caviar?
No.
What do you think?
It's good.
Kind of like when we go to sushi, they have a sabiko, the egg, the little tiny eggs.
Okay.
Maple syrup.
A little bit.
Tiny bit. Oh,
Oh,
I knew you were. She's not like me. I know. I'm a pro. Oh yeah, I'm a pro. Maple syrup. Isn't that amazing? It's unreal. It's unbelievable is what it is. I cannot get over that. What do you think?
It's good.
You taste that little parsley garlic, right? But you don't notice it.
That's good.
Cold. Gotta do this again. This is unreal. See how that came out? Like a patty? That's what you're looking for. So what do you think? We gotta get more of these eggs. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it again. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Stay tuned. A little maple syrup, and I'm gonna go serve these up to my family.